Archicad and Vectorworks Architect are both powerful architectural design platforms, but they cater to different workflows. Archicad is BIM first, offering intuitive modeling, strong collaboration tools like BIM Cloud, and seamless integration between 2D and 3D. It's ideal for firms that prioritize efficiency, teamwork, and streamlined design processes. Archicad also supports multi-user environments and delivers high-quality rendering tools. Vectorworks Architect leans more toward design flexibility. It combines robust 2D drafting with parametric 3D modeling and smart tagging for documentation. It's great for architects who want creative control and visual richness. The software supports a wide range of file formats and plugins, making it better for diverse workflows. However, its collaboration tools aren't as strong and the learning curve is steeper. So, choose Archicad for BIM efficiency and team collaboration. Opt for Vectorworks if you value design freedom, presentation quality, and broader compatibility.